Hello, I'm Bob from the Dalles Public Library, and I'm going to be showing you how to make Suminagashi art. Suminagashi is a Japanese art technique, and it means floating ink. Now you'll need a few supplies: a tray or pan, enough water to fill the tray, a few sheets of watercolor paper, some Suminagashi ink, some watercolor brushes, a straw, gloves, and a plate or watercolor palette. Be sure to put on your gloves. These inks really stain your skin. Fill your tray with about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water. Prepare your Suminagashi inks. Now start placing your inks on your non-absorbent palette, whatever you're going to use, just as long as it doesn't absorb the ink. Start loading your brushes with ink, not too much though. Start gently dipping or touching the surface of the water with your inks, alternately touching each color to the surface. This builds up a kind of bullseye pattern. Keep doing this over and over again until you build up lots of patterns on the surface of the water. Just keep repeating patterns over and over again. Any pattern will do. Randomly space them around. Anything you want to do with it. These inks really float on the surface of the water, so surface tension keeps them there, and they don't really move much. So you can keep working on this for quite some time without it really changing much at all, as long as you keep your surface, your table that you're working on, stable. If you want, take a brush and cut through your bullseyes and such, and you'll get a whole new set of patterns. And you can take a straw and blow across the surface of your water and change the patterns that way. You can stop there, or you can just keep adding more of your little bullseyes, your little ink bullseyes to your work. Keep loading your brushes with ink. When you're ready to transfer the ink from the surface of your water, take a sheet of paper holding it by the left and right edges and let it sag in the middle, and then gently lower it onto the surface. Press out any air bubbles by gently touching the top of the paper. lift your paper off the surface of the water and let the excess water drip into your pan. Gently daub off any excess water that's still on there with a paper towel. Now you have a work of art that you can keep or share. I'm Bob. Thanks for watching.